Are you just learning the tricks of your questions and not solving problems? Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Today we'll be solving problems related to sum of series where you can apply your tricks and you need not have any confusion while going to examination. So if you haven't seen my sum of series tricks, kindly go check it and come back to sum of series because only then you'll be understanding it really well. So it is just an 8-minute video. So quickly run to that video and see and just come back again. So let's get started. Now, sum of series 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 90. So when you see this number, it starts from 1. So it is a natural number. So sum of first n natural numbers. Formula we have seen in our previous tricky videos. So go check and comment below which type does this problem belong to. So now if I see 1 plus 2 up to n is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 is my formula. Now what am I doing? What is my n here? My n here is 90, right? They asked 90. Now I have to just apply in the formula 90 into 91 by 2. So 90 into 91 by 2, what I'm getting, which is 45 into 91. So definitely 45 into 91, it will end with 5. So your option 2 and option 3 will not come. Either option 1 or option 4 only will come. When I multiply, my final answer is 4095 is my final answer. If you haven't if you don't know how to multiply quickly, there's also multiplication tricks given in the playlist number system. The first 3 videos are from that only. Go kindly check it. So easily, instead of wasting time in your examination, you can solve it easily. Now let's go to the next one. Next one, sum of all the numbers between, odd numbers between 100 and 200. Again, check my video and comment the type of this question. Which type does it belong to? Just check it and come back. So they asked between 100 and 200, right? Now, here is a formula for first n natural numbers. But here they asked between 100 and 200. But in formula, we know from 1. So what are you supposed to do? We know the 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to plus 99 plus 101 plus 103 up to 199. Okay. So this is your full number from full odd numbers from 1 to 200. Now what did they ask? They asked this number alone. So what am I supposed to do? I am taking the answer for the whole thing, right? From 1 to 199, I'm finding sum of all the odd numbers and I'm subtracting from 1 to 99. Then I'll get the remaining numbers. Okay, since our formula is from 1, so we're taking that to get the in between answer. So what is 1 plus 3 plus 99? I mean the whole thing, sum of all numbers from 1 to 200. So what I'll get, 199 plus 1 by 2, which is 200 by 2 the whole square, which is nothing but 10,000. Okay, now what is from 1 to sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 100. So what is it? So it is 99 plus 1 the whole square by 2, which is 50 square. What is 100? Which is, sorry, this thing, just do it this way. Okay. So which is 100 by 2, which is 50 square, which is 2500. So what is the required answer? So answer will be 10,000 minus 2500, which will get as 7,500. Okay. That will be your answer. So I hope you understood this sum also really well. Okay. So if you get similar kind of sums, do it in this way, because don't forget we have formula just from 1 only, not in between. So try to apply like how to subtract, just apply and see. You will get the answer in examination. You need not worry for it. Now, next one is nothing but the square of numbers are grouped. So basically 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, then 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So group 1 you have only one term. Group 2 you have 2 terms. So it goes, right? So group 1 you have one term in it. Then group 2, you have 2 terms in it. Then group 3, you have 3 terms. Then it goes on, and group 4, you have, group K, you have K terms. I hope you understood it. So it is nothing but it is a triangular grouping. What they say, 1, then 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. It is nothing but a triangular grouping. Okay. This is triangular grouping. Now, what is the question? So, statement 1, so you have to find which is the correct answer. So, statement 1, sum of the terms in the last group. I mean, this last group, sum of the terms should be 8,04,660. So, this is what the question. You have to say whether it is true or false. So, the last square, which is kth group, right? So, the kth group, we need to check where 210 square lies, in which group. Okay, so for that, to find total number of terms up to kth group, total number of terms up to kth group, basically it is 1, 2, 3 up to kth group is 210. So for that, you will be having k into k plus 1 by 2, total number of terms here. So this k and last term is k into k plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but k into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to 210. So when I solve this, it will be k into k plus 1 is equal to 420. So I'm just solving this. Next question, what they ask, they are asking if all total number of groups, are you having 20 groups or not? And other thing, sum of all terms till last group, but one group is last so till last group, but one group is 23 lakh 4,015. So this is the question. So I'll be solving just like not in order wise. Let me see which question I'll be getting. So this you will be having k square plus k minus 420 is 0. So here your k will be 20. There are 2 k's. Find the other k and comment below. So why I didn't take, you will know. Okay. So k is equal to 20 here. So the number of groups. So total here you got what is the k, which is k means you have k terms, right? So in last group you have 20 counts. So you have 20 groups. So group K, you have k terms. So you have total, how many groups are there? 20 groups. So group 20, you have 20 terms and total number of groups is 20. So your option 2 is right. Okay. Now let us go for option 3. Okay. And last, let us come for statement 1. So option 3, sum of all the terms until last one group is this much. Okay, sum of all the terms till last group. So what are you doing? So you have to take sum of remaining terms. Let me take, which is remaining means 20. Last your number is 210. So minus 20 if you do, from, you have to have 20 terms in your last group. So you will be finding sums from 20th group. So you have squares from 191 square to 210 square. To find your 1 square, 2 square up to n square, you have a formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is your formula. So you have to find the last number from 191 square to 210 square. So 1 square, 2 square up to 191 square you have to find, 190 square you have to find. So you will be getting somewhat answer as 2296205. This is your 1 square, 2 square up to 190 square. Then again 1 square, 2 square up to 210 square. Okay, that you will be getting 3100865. Okay, only when you subtract these two, you will be getting answer for this one. So answer for this is 3100865 minus 2296205. 5. You'll be getting 804660. So this is your answer which you'll be getting. So that you got in your, so the last group. So sum of last group is 804660. You got that. And sum till last group, that also you will be getting approximately. There is actually one small mistake in this calculation. This is 2304415. So when you subtract, you will be getting this number 804670. So when you look at the sum, your second is correct, your third is correct, but your first is incorrect because it is 804670, but here it is 660. So your option 2 and option 3 is correct, but statement 1 is wrong. I hope you understood this question. If you're not understanding this question, let me just quickly recall. So what is the question? First thing, they asked you to find total number of groups. Okay. That is your statement 2. We have to find total number of groups to get this. Then sum of last terms. So last term means only when you get total number of terms, total number of groups, you'll get the total number of terms of the last group. So what you're supposed to do, 210 is a last number. In that you have to get 20 terms. So subtract it, you'll have to get 20 terms. So which is from 191 to 210. So that sum of those terms you have to find using the formula n 1 square plus 2 square up to n square formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So that formula. Then sum of all terms till last group. So you have to find the whole terms from 1 to 210. Then you have to subtract that. Okay, from till last term means you can take from 1 to 190 square. That you will get as statement 3. So I hope you understood this question, because this session was really long, but this question was worth it and definitely they'll ask. Thank you.